Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to GitHub Wiki. Now, the first thing I want you to do is sign in to GitHub. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and sign up. Okay, enter your details. And then I want you to just go ahead and click on Create Account. Okay, now after you do that, and you proceed with your account creation process, just verify. And once you're on your dashboard, first create a GitHub repository. So you click on this plus icon, click on a new repository, and just go ahead and create any repository, and then you can add wikis to it. Okay, so proceed with this and create your repository. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is click on this wiki icon right here, and then you can start creating your wiki. So just click on create the first page, just go ahead and create your wiki, and you can save your pages. So that is how you can GitHub Wiki. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.